Welcome to Sikho.ai, introducing GLP-1 Nutrition Mastery, optimizing health and muscle preservation, a comprehensive guide to navigating the nutritional and lifestyle shifts required for success while using GLP-1 medications, focusing on muscle protection, symptom management, and long-term metabolic health. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1. Foundations of GLP-1 Biology and Digestive Wellness. Module 2, the Protein Mandate and Muscle Protection. Module 3, Micronutrient Density and Long-Term Success. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.